Okay, so probably the easiest of all the naming is naming binary covalent compounds. Because basically, you just say the name of the first element and then the name of the second element followed by "ide." And if there's more than one of any of them, that you use your Greek prefix, with the exception of if there is just one of element number one. So if it's like mono, the first element, you just miss the mono off because it'd just be too much. The rule of order is we always go left to right across the periodic table. So for example, in carbon dioxide, carbon would come before oxygen, going left to right. For some reason, if elements from the same group, we go bottom to top. I suggest my theory is it's just kind of gaming the system, so oxygen always comes second. I don't know. So if it was like sulfur trioxide, sulfur comes before oxygen, right? So left to right across the periodic table, bottom to top if they're in the same group. So CS2 then, well, there's carbon, there's sulfur, so it's just going to be carbon disulfide, right? So you have to actually use the prefix to say that there is two sulfurs, but note that you don't say monocarbon disulfide. It's just not the done thing. I don't know why. Okay, so Bi3 then. So B is boron, I is iodine, so it would be boron triiodide. Okay, C3S2, so that would be tricarbon, and then disulfide. BP would be boron monophosphide. If I can hit the right buttons. And then H2O, if we're following the naming convention, it would be dihydrogen monoxide, har, har, har. But if we've got a common name, like water or ammonia, we would use those, even as a fancy pants chemist person. So it's okay to say H2O is water. I promise you're not going to get downgraded for that. Okay, so let's do another set then. Those all look a little bit too similar, so let's do another one. Okay, is that... Oh, yeah. Oh, this looks more fun. Let's do that. Okay, so quick fire then. NF3 will be nitrogen trifluoride. You probably worked this out before I can type it at this point, right? P4S7 would be tetra phosphorus. I can't type. And then 7 is hepta. That one doesn't come up so often. Heptasulfide. And then P4S3. So again, tetraphosphorus. And then 3 sulfurs would be trisulfide. N2F4 would be dinitrogen. And then tetrafluoride. And then H2O. Oh, trying to trick us again. Water. Okay. Oh, honestly, I think you guys could probably do that very quickly. This will probably be the easiest topic in the module, right?